And here we go. So welcome to 4323 20th Street, unit number 6. Okay, so today we are showing a 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom unit with stove, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, hardwood floors to the unit, closet right here, little closet. Then that's the fire escape. Also could be used as a balcony. And we have forced air here. And we go and see, this is bedroom number 1. So we see cable for internet. The best provider over here is Sonic. And we see a closet. Now we see another closet right here, and then another closet over here, and then we have the bathroom with a bathtub, and we have the other bedroom right here with its closet. So this unit comes over to the market with a rental tag of $3,100, and to see it, or what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in here.